This is my quick start guide to Vectorworks Architect. This is a free manual available from my website. You just need to follow the link and I'll put that in the description. But the idea of this was to introduce you to Vectorworks Architect. I need you to understand what the user interface looks like, and then I go through some simple things to set up your Vectorworks to make it work really quickly for you. I want to show you how to quickly create buildings, but I want you to create them three-dimensionally. I don't believe in starting with 2D and then working up to it. I want you to work in 3D. So we start with 3D, we create the walls, put in the doors and windows, put a roof on it, learn how to edit the roof quickly, and then a really quick way to make drawings. This way is so quick. Now I don't show you how to do all the hatching and stuff because after all this is only a quick start guide, and I just want you to understand a quick way to get started. I also want you to look at the way I've written the manual and see whether you like this way of me teaching you. This is the project you'll create. By creating this little project, you will have learned quite a lot. How to create a slab, how to create doors and windows, how to put a roof, but most importantly, an introduction to BIM. Learning that by starting with this information, by starting in 3D, we can work through to creating drawings and elevations, and when we update the model, these elevations will update as well. Really fundamental concepts. Now that's a free manual available from my website. Just click on the link in the description and it'll take you to where my manual is stored. So thanks for watching. Catch you later.